Okay, so today we are going to learn how to create a poster using Canva. Now to do so, I have come on the Canva application, that is www.canva.com. After I'm here, what you need to do is you need to click on create a design, that is here on the top right corner. Click on that option and select or type poster. Once you search for poster, many options will come. You will select poster in the bracket landscape. Once you click on that option, a new tab will open called Untitled Design. Now, why this tab is called as Untitled Design? It's because the name of the poster, see over here on this blue ribbon, it is Untitled Design. Now, let's change the name of the poster. Let's keep it, for example, My Post. Let's keep it My Poster. Now we are creating a poster on the topic Halloween. Now to do so, we will first change the background of this. Let's keep a black background. Why I am keeping a black background? It's because it is more relevant to the topic, that is Halloween. So let's keep a black background. You can choose any background of your choice. Then we will first add a heading to your poster. So to add a heading, we will click on text option, that is the capital T over here. Now there are so many different varieties of heading that you can select uh, from here. You can select any one that is for free. Now let's select this one. Okay, once I click on this heading, it will appear in the center of the poster. Now we want the heading on the top, right? So what we will do is we will move this heading. So let's quickly move this heading on the top. Okay, we can keep the heading over here. And now for the heading, we will write, remove all this. We will write Halloween is our heading for our poster. Next thing that we need to do is add pictures. Now we have so many different things. See, we have photos also that you can select from. Uh, you can search over here. Once you click on photos, you can search over here for Halloween. They will give you so many amazing photos that are for free. Some are not for free. So select the one that are for free. See over here it is written free. So I can select this picture. See, Halloween 2020 and with a picture. I can make this picture a little bit small so that I can accommodate many different things also. Let's move this picture a little bit on top. Now let's add one more picture. Okay, you can select elements also. See, when you go in element, search for Halloween and see you will get so many different elements that are for free. You can select any one of it. I'll select this one over here. Let's keep it here. At the bottom in the corner. Okay, I have by mistakenly taken two. Okay, then we can select a moon and keep it here. Let's make it a little bit small. We can keep the moon over here. And then, okay, now enough with the pictures. Now let's write a tagline. The last thing that you need to write is a tagline. And it's done. See, I have written the tagline as Happy Halloween.